Hey, it's Todd Beach again here with B&E Air Conditioning Heating, and what I have here in front of me is a tubular style heat exchanger from a Bryant gas pack. And I want to show you one of the many ways that you can inspect the heat exchanger to find out if it is in fact cracked, flawed, or letting carbon monoxide out. One of the current tools that they have out on the market right now is this is called a Seeker 400, and it's a camera with a knob on it and allows you to adjust the light, and it's got a long probe on here with the camera and the light at the end of it. And what you can do is you can actually run it up inside of these heat exchanger tubes and find out if there are cracks or weak spots or rust. Actually on this one it was pretty easy to see. What I did on this particular model is I inspected it with the camera from the bottom tubes and realized that there was a lot of rust. So what I did is I decided to go ahead and tear the machine down to find out exactly what was going on with it. So I pulled the top off of it, and what you have here is I come in and I started looking at the integrity of the heat exchanger tubes. And clearly what you see here are holes in it. And when they make these heat exchangers, they put these little weld marks and things in there when they're actually fabricating it. And a lot of times those are the weakest links. If you look right on this, right here, these are stamp outs that they have. And the rust has got to it, and the heat and the moisture, and it has actually rusted it away. There's fine little marks in here. If you get to this side of it, you can actually see where there are thinner spots of it, and one could argue that it is not ready to be replaced. If you come and look at these fine seams, those are cracks. You could actually slide small material between that. You could actually come in here. This was actually not rusted through all the way, and I did that with the tip of my pen. If you can come in on a heat exchanger and come through and inspect it with a pen, and literally the rust flakes off before you, chances are you're in severe need of replacement. This particular model, we did actually in fact replace it. And another thing to note, on this particular style heat exchanger, they give a 10-year warranty with this model, and this failed before the warranty was out. Maintenance is what you need to preserve the life expectancy of this style heat exchanger.
Very good.